Welcome to the Nezinscot Farm. Organic farm here in Turner, Maine. Open farm day. Part of the garden here. Got the cool tomato plants in the tires. New greenhouse. Great looking fields. And on the other side of the road, even more cows, alpacas, sheep. Handy way to keep the grass down in between your vegetable gardens. Just set the goats loose.
Are those electrified?
Another garden here. Got some geese defending the garden.
I want to go in there.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt when they bite you.
It just surprises you. Yeah.
They don't like to be
See, there we go. The dog wants to see them. No.
It's not taking his eyes off it.
Here is the new barn at the Nezinscot Farm in Turner. Open farm day.
So yeah,
That's a
I took the
donkey.
negative and took as a learning experience. So
Beautiful sunflower herb garden. Cabbages. Kind of like a little...
This looks like a maze.
Yes, it's a secret garden. Go on in.
It is a maze, isn't it? Is this a maze?
Well, they've got the herbs,
Is this a maze?
flowers. Let's go this way.
Wait, who is this?
Of course, the big sunflowers.
Is this a maze?
Got more cabbage, oregano over there, parsley, beautiful cleones, grasshoppers, and more of the tire tomatoes. Handy use for tires. Corn looks really nice and tall. Lots of visitors here for open farm day. Demonstrations on the farm.
Yep, it's a very nice day.
Inside the farm store. Just about everything you could want. There is the tea house. Remember, the Nezinscot Farm does have the family living here. There is a teepee they built, and one of the most beautiful root cellars I've ever seen. Every farm should have a teepee.
I'm the king of this stump.
What are you?
I'm the king of this stump.
The king of the stump, huh? Alrighty then. There's Quinn relaxing after a long day on the farm on the veranda.